Okay, checking the Rangta weighing scale, that is the model RLS 110. From here you can also see the model. So this is 30 kg. So the complaint is, okay, we're just going to fix the date, time as well. Test weight here, 10 kg. Not balance. That's the reason why. Alright, I'm going to check why it's not balanced. Okay, now 10 kg. Okay. This one I already fixed the problem, but now I will check the, okay, cancel one item, like for example number 4 or number celery. Okay, this one celery, 10 kg, press enter. So currently it's okay now. The problem is at the back. This is actually new, but they bent the pin. That's why it's not coming. It's not coming to printer. Now we're going to check the IP address because we are going to connect here in my laptop. Alright. But before we check it, we need to connect it to the system. We need to check the IP address of the weighing scale. Press this one, 2 seconds. Okay, now set IP, then press enter. So now this is the IP address, enabled to communicate from my laptop. So I already connect the cable going to the laptop. So from here you should have downloaded the application. Okay, from here, okay, let's go to connect first to the system. Change the adapter. So this is what I'm using, Ethernet 3 properties. Then you should change this one because I did one scale, average scale yesterday in Abu Dhabi. And now this one we need to change. Don't use the same, you can use 88 or 86, but because the scale is 87, so we're going to use this one. Let's change it to 1. IP address 88, close to it. Okay, sometimes there's an issue if very far. That's one of the secret. Okay, now, okay, it's connected there. Okay, from here, because I'm using the USB. Okay, now let's go to the application. Let's see if it's connected now. Okay, it's already connected. It's already connected. So we're going to download the app, the data on this weighing scale. Okay, it should be upload. Okay, it should be upload. Okay, Chinese cabbage, celery. So this item should come here. So we need to change this one to 87. This one is 1. Okay, so it's already there. Okay, communication over. So if I'm going to change the, for example, the default price is the default. We're going to change the price of. So this one is mix up. Okay, I'm going to change this one to 1. Four. 8. Okay, now I will change the price of this. Like for example, current price is 0.9, that's why 10 kg. So I'm going to change it to 2 dirham. Okay, 2 dirham. Then I'm going to upload to the machine. Okay, it's uploaded. Okay, now let's check the price of cabbage. See, it's 2 dirham now. Then we're going to make a printout. Okay, 2 dirham. And we're just going to change this one later, because that by default this one is Jordan price. Okay, unable to do that. We need to exit. Exit. Yes, I need to save it. Let's put the client name. Let's put a new name. New store. Store 1. Okay, save here. Market 1. So now we are going to go here for the label. So here's the label, exact label of this one. So we're just going to change the date for this and this later. Okay, now we're going to edit. So from this parameter, let's check the date. The date is 25/1. This one's already correct. This one is already correct. 25/1/9. But the valid date is very far. Okay. From here. Year format, it's okay. Year format 25. There's no time, so they can edit the time. And they want to put in the system the time. Let's open this one again. Expiration date. Valid time. Nutrition level. Valid date. Shelf life. Package time. Package time. So I'm going to put somewhere here. Here. Let's put the time. Okay. So if you're going to download to the machine, you can download it. Just put it as one label. Okay. Sure you want to download this label? Yes. Oh, there's an error. Why? Let's check. Communication. Okay. This one. I need to put 187. Okay. So now we can download it. Okay. Upload. Download. Upload label. Yes, save. 187. Okay. Download. Okay, both the same. So now let's check one printout. Okay, time is there. Oh, the time is correct. 10:16. But we're just going to make it big later. Okay, that's it. That's it for the meantime. Being able to make it big.